In this video tutorial, again, you'll notice we're logged in. What I want to talk about is accessing content. And so one of the ways you could do it, and it's very straightforward, is if you go to a page, you just edit the main content on that page. Very simple and straightforward. We've talked about it before in previous tutorials. And so you'll notice there, you can access through there. And you'll see the view and the edit. If you click view at any point, you just go back to the page with the tabs. But here's another one, and it's pretty powerful because so you click the find content in the gray toolbar, and what you'll see here is all the actual content that makes up the pages, that makes up the website, all the not only pages but different types of content. And so you'll see there's two whole pages of various content. I'm going to go back to the first, and I know it seems overwhelming right now, but what I want to do is show you this area right here. So show only items which are pages, and so we want to filter for that. And now we're just going to see the pages. So these are just the actual pages that make the website up, and most of the site is made up by pages. But if we reset this now and go back, I'm going to show you a couple other types that you're going to be working with. The other one's going to be events. So an event one. So if you filter for that, it's going to show you the various events. And once the filter goes now through, and so now here we see the events. And what I want to show you is a couple of different things here. One is you're seeing various events that are on the website, but you're also seeing that they're published or not published. If they're published and they're coming up, they're going to appear, not coming up here, this is just when they've been updated, but in the actual page they have an event has a date. If it's published, it's going to show up. If it's not published, it won't show up. That's the thing where I said don't delete things. Never want to delete them. There's no reason to, because they might come back up next year and you don't have to recreate them, you just have to change some of it. So, but if you want to say this flag celebration, we want to unpublish it. It passed already, I believe, which will take it off the event calendar anyways, or the event list. But if you wanted to unpublish it, you just select here, you update it, and it will be unpublished. In fact, I'll show you that in a different one. Let me reset this here. Okay, so that's everything again. And then probably the other one you're going to do is we're going to add slides to the site. And that's they go to the home page, and here are the different slides. You'll see that some of them are already not published, some are already published. Again, how you can edit them. So kayak fishing slide, if we want to edit this particular one, we click edit. You won't go to a page for this because this is a particular type of thing, but this is what makes it up. You actually upload, you can remove this one, upload a different image there. It has the title, and then it has the information that goes right under the image. And so you just put that in there, and that goes to that. And then you also want to link it. This links the image to the actual page. This is a PDF for an entry form, so we just put that in there. But you can link it to pages, which is usually what would happen on a slide. If we go back, let's go back to the find content. We're going to see the world's first spaceport. We want to edit that one, this slide. It's published. And then it has the image, the title, the link to it, and that's book a flight with us today. And you'll see that links right to the space flight page. And that's, so when they click the image, it'll go right to that, and they can find out more information on space and flight, all the various things they could do in Elephant Butte in regards to that. Let's go back one more time to find content, and I'm going to reset this, and we're going to go to an event. And so we're going to see the events again. I showed you that one time before. We're going to filter for those. And then, so you want to see this kayak fishing event. We want to edit it. I want to show you what that looks like. And so basically you'll be creating a lot of events, slides probably for that. Events are probably going to be a big one, or news. News right now I have as just a page as we're adding stuff to it, but as we add more news, we'll make that a content type as well. But you'll see here, here's the information on that, and there's actual information for the calendar, the image that goes with it, and the information that goes with it as well. If we actually leave here, go home, and go to, I'll show you that in a later tutorial. I just wanted to show you how to access content. And so now, so basically you either go to content, which are pages and stuff like that, through just navigating through the website, or you're going to go to find content, and then you can go to the events, the slides, and various other content, news coming up, various other content that we have specific for the website. And so that ends this tutorial.